Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore a captivating topic: how AI will shape the future of military technology. Artificial intelligence has been rapidly advancing, and its integration into the military holds immense potential. So, let's dive into the exciting world of AI and discover how it's revolutionizing warfare. One of the most visible applications of AI in the military is through unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones. AI-powered drones can autonomously navigate complex environments, identify targets, and conduct precision strikes. With advanced algorithms and sensors, these drones can minimize collateral damage and reduce risks to human soldiers. Imagine a swarm of AI-powered drones working together with seamless coordination, executing complex missions with unparalleled precision. From surveillance to reconnaissance and even combat operations, AI-enabled drones are revolutionizing the way military forces operate and providing a significant tactical advantage. One more fascinating area where AI is making significant strides: tanks. AI is ushering in a new era of tank warfare, enhancing their capabilities and transforming the way armored units operate on the battlefield. AI-powered tanks are equipped with advanced sensors, intelligent algorithms, and autonomous systems that significantly augment their effectiveness. These tanks can leverage AI to analyze the battlefield, make real-time tactical decisions, and engage targets with remarkable precision. Imagine a tank that can autonomously detect and track enemy vehicles, assess threats, and engage targets with unparalleled accuracy. AI algorithms can process sensor data from cameras, radars, and other sources to create a comprehensive situational awareness for tank crews, enabling them to make better-informed decisions and respond swiftly to changing battlefield conditions. AI is also revolutionizing military training. Virtual reality simulations powered by AI algorithms offer realistic and immersive environments for soldiers to train in. These simulations can replicate various scenarios, allowing soldiers to practice combat skills, decision-making, and teamwork. AI can even provide personalized feedback and adaptive training, ensuring soldiers are better equipped for real-world challenges. Virtual reality training combined with AI algorithms allows soldiers to fine-tune their skills in a safe and controlled environment. These simulations can recreate diverse scenarios, from urban warfare to complex battlefield situations, providing soldiers with invaluable experience and enhancing their readiness for the challenges they may face. The integration of AI and robotics is transforming the concept of soldiers on the battlefield. Robotic soldiers, equipped with AI algorithms, can perform a range of tasks, from reconnaissance and logistics to combat support. These machines can operate in environments too dangerous for humans, minimizing casualties and expanding the military's capabilities. Imagine a future where AI-powered robotic soldiers work alongside human forces, complementing their skills and augmenting their capabilities. These robotic soldiers can perform tasks that are physically demanding, repetitive, or high-risk, enabling human soldiers to focus on more strategic and complex operations. This synergy between humans and AI-powered robots is reshaping the battlefield. The integration of AI into missiles is unlocking new capabilities, improving accuracy, and enhancing their effectiveness on the modern battlefield. One of the most critical aspects of missile technology is guidance systems. AI-powered guidance systems can significantly enhance missile accuracy and enable them to adapt to dynamic battlefield conditions. With AI-powered target recognition, missiles can differentiate between various types of targets, such as aircraft, ships, or ground vehicles. They can also distinguish between civilian and military objects, reducing the risk of collateral damage and ensuring precise engagement of intended targets. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing military technology and reshaping the future of warfare. From autonomous drones and advanced tanks to robotic soldiers and robust missiles, the potential applications of AI are vast. However, it is crucial to navigate these advancements thoughtfully, addressing ethical concerns and upholding human values. By embracing the transformative power of AI while maintaining human control and ethical principles, we can leverage AI's capabilities to enhance military effectiveness while minimizing risks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for joining us today as we explored how AI will shape the future of military technology.